So here we are back at the handbrake, and again we're going to be using the handbrake, finger brake, to bend up the edges on our left and right hand side. There are no holes in this one because this is what gets riveted to. We'll put the holes in this afterwards. One of the things you might notice, I have just clipped off the corners, bottom corners, so when it goes into the base, it'll sit flat rather than having square corners. So nothing different from when we do our base. We're going to place it on our line, bring it all the way over because these are going to be safety edges. So all the way up. But before you go too far, remember to take off the plastic on the back. So you should always take the plastic off just before you bend and dispose of it appropriately. Bend it up, use the tines, under the tines, squash it down. Same for the other side. On your line. Yep. Take your time, get it right, bend it over, and then on the front of the tines, squash it down. You got your sides, one side done. Grab your second side, take the plastic off, dispose of that appropriately, push it through, line it up, hand it over, wash it down, do the same to the other side. So have the part you want to bend out, so you're always holding on to the most material. If you hang on to the small amount of material, sometimes it can slip out, so that's why we hang on to the major amount of material when we bend the small amount. All the way over. Squash it down. If it doesn't squash down far enough, you can go over with a mallet and tap it down. Alright. In our next tutorial, we'll be fitting the sides to our base. Till then, cheers!